Hi there. We've reached the culmination of our four-step process, step 4, where we progress to motor control of end range joint movement. This is where everything comes together, turning restored mobility and stability into precise functional control. Motor control involves training your brain and body to manage movements at the extremes of your joint's range. Think reaching overhead or deep squatting without pain or instability. We use advanced exercises like controlled articular rotations or functional patterns that mimic real-life activities. This phase emphasizes proprioception, or your body's sense of position, to fine-tune reflexes and coordination. We'll gradually increase complexity, adding resistance or speed, ensuring you can handle dynamic demands safely. It's particularly beneficial for athletes returning to sport or anyone aiming for peak performance. By mastering end-range control, you reduce injury risk and enhance overall efficiency. Our process isn't linear. We visit or revisit steps as needed, but completing this empowers you with the tools for lifelong health. Thank you for joining me on this overview of our chiropractic and rehabilitation approach. If you're experiencing issues, reach out. We're here to help you move better and feel great.